No Facebook ad required, no YouTube ads, no ad copy, no ad images, no review copy, no website. Completely beginner friendly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote ClickBank product for beginners with Udemy solo ad. So Udemy is a platform for solo ad vendors where these solo ad vendors, email marketers are selling their email list, where you can drive tons of traffic from their email list to your affiliate link or your ClickBank product. So if you're first time watching, guys, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion. Smash that like button right away right now, because this video can help you a lot to make some money right away right now with ClickBank. So before we get into the Udemy solo ad tutorial, let me show you how this works. So you have to create a landing page where you have to give the option of collecting the emails, because here you're going to make a sales with two way. One is right collecting the emails, as well as you can also make a sale directly promoting your landing page. And then guys, what you're going to do, right, you're going to make a free account in Udemy platform. Okay, and then you have to select the best selling Udemy vendor there that I'm going to show you, because a lot of people fail here. They select a lot of other vendors which provide very cheap clicks. So I'm going to show you right how you can collect the best vendor here. I'm going to show you who are my best vendors over there, and these people will drive you the traffic to your affiliate link, okay, or your landing page. This way you can collect the emails, also you can have a sales also. Okay, so this is very easiest way, guys. You don't need to do anything, just creating a landing page. So the first step is selecting the offer from the marketplace of ClickBank, and here my experience is using e-business and e-marketing with solo ads. I got a lot of tons of result with that. So for example, like this product, like right, perpetual income, and here you can see this, I made some initial sale of $478, right, with my email as well as my Facebook ad, right, more with the email. Okay, and then the another product which I tested with Udemy solo ad was like this 12-minute affiliate system, and here you can see this, I made almost right $8,419 with this. Okay, I have some rebilling or resales, okay, 1,500, and upsales of $496 with this, because this product convert very well for any affiliate marketers. So what you have to do is, right, you can promote any of this product. Okay, you have to select your own product. I'm just showing you. You can promote the make money online products, because that convert very well for me. Okay, so once if you select the product, create a landing page. So I'm not getting into right selecting the product right on all those things. Okay, so one of the landing page which we'll use for this now is like this landing page which I created for ClickBank. Okay, so we are going to use this. Okay, you can create the landing page, because I have tons of tutorials on this. Okay, selecting the product, creating the landing page, and make sure your landing page should be connected with the autoresponder. I have a video on that. Okay, because you're going to get right some of the good emails here, right? And if you want to learn how to collect the emails, I already have a video on that. Okay, so you can watch that. So now another step is, guys, the very important to create your free account with udemy.com. okay, the link of this software is given in the description. Okay, this is a website, the link is given, and you can make your own account right here with a free account, and right, you can go through this website and all, right. So the login will look like this. Okay, and then say continue here. So this will be your dashboard, and this will be your profile here. You can make any changes going into this your my profile, and here you can do the setting and all. So I'm not getting into all these things because it's very easy to understand. If you want to send somebody a message or want to get the message, you can see the message here. Okay, all these things are here, and orders, all the order which you're going to place to them, you can see all the order details here as well as in the top. Okay, so now how to get the right vendor? So for that you have to click here, solo deals, and now you can see these are the people, right, who are email marketers, who are the solo ad vendors, right, who have their email list, right, which can drive the traffic to your affiliate links. So here you can see all these are the niches. Okay, like marketing niche, finance, health, mobile, social, and crypto. My more experience is only in the e-business or e-marketing. Okay, so I use only in the e-marketing. I never try with health and all. So these are the vendors here. You can see their profile over here. So pay attention here, guys, because this is the place people do a lot of mistakes. What I'm going to show you here is really valuable, because a lot of people are getting leads but they're not getting sales because they don't know how to select any vendors. Okay, from here. Okay, because there are so many. So pay attention and smash that like button right away right now if you have not did that till now. So what you have to do is, you can see this guy's profile, Anthony here, and here his profile name, right, 20% buyer rating, 100% tier 1 traffic. Okay, all these things are here. You can see all of them. And what you're seeing here in the top is the cent. Okay, 45 cent. That means for one click or for one landing page, he's charging only 45 cent. Okay, and she's charging 40 cent, and this guy is charging 49 cents and 49 cents, 95 cents, okay, 55 cents. Okay, so this is how you will see here. So pay attention more here. And 544 order he got, 11 orders. That means he's very new here. Look at this, 6,361 orders he got. Okay, so all this you can see here. So now let me open some of the profile and let's show you how you're going to choose these guys. Okay, right, so I will open this profile here. I'm going to open this profile here. I'm also going to open this profile here. Okay, so now if you click here and open the profile here, this will be the profile. Okay, you can make them your favorite so that you can go again and again by clicking the heart here. Okay, then it will be there in your friend list. Okay, and your favorite list in your dashboard. Very important thing, guys, pay attention here, and that is this 46%. That says, guys, 100 people who is going to him with their landing page, 46% of the people, that means 46 people are getting the results. Okay, getting the sales as well as the leads also. Okay, leads is there. I'm going to show you in a second how to get that, but 46% people are getting the sales. Okay, and for each click or each landing page view, he's charging 49 cent. Okay, that is this matrix all about. And then 21% of people are going back to him. So whoever is getting the sales from him or leads from him, from 21% of these people are going back to him. Okay, this is his ratio, and he will respond you back within 1 hour. Okay, once if you once if you send them the order. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, also you can personally send a message to him, right? If you click here, right, look at this, you can send the message. Okay, here, and you can also add him a friend. He will accept you, like how the Facebook ad works, the same way. Okay, that's there. Okay, let me show you some variation in here. In this guy, 35% of people has got sales. Okay, not leads. Okay, whatever the leads you're going to ask them, they will give you the leads. Okay, 300 leads, 1000 leads and all, but 35% of the people had got the sales, and he's charging 95 cents. Okay, 11% people are going back to him. He will respond you back in 3 hours. Okay, so this is one of the way of seeing everybody over here. Okay, hope you're very much clear with this. Okay, so this is the very important thing people don't understand, right? If you're looking more sales, you have to select the people who have more, right, percentage here. That I'm going to show you in a second. Now in the here, the most important thing, how many click or visitor you need. For example, if you need, right, 100 visitor, how much he's charging? He's charging only $52. Okay, $52 only he is charging here. Okay, and here if you can see, this guy charging $98, guys. That depend upon the quality of their list. This is the very important thing which you have to remember here. I always recommend you to go by 300 visitors. Okay, 300 visitor to your landing page, whatever the landing page you created, that's completely up to you. Okay, so 300 visitor. Okay, this is very important. I will always go with at least 300 to 500 visitors. Okay, for getting 500 visitor to your landing page, not the click, guys, 500 visitor to your landing page, he's charging $248 here. Okay, and this guy who is for 500 visitors, he is going to charge you $478. Okay, depend upon all the visitors and their clicks. Okay, and the quality of their emails. Okay, and this will be something else for this guy also. Okay, for 500 visitors, he might be charging like $278. Okay, so this is one of the way to see. And also one of the thing is, guys, base filter only mobile. Do not take only mobile, leave it like this only. Okay, now here is the thing, only top tier countries. So what are the top tier countries? Top tier countries means, guys, United Nations, United Kingdom, right, New Zealand, Australia. Okay, these are, and Canada are the top tier countries. Okay, so if you click here, you can see this guy is going to bring the traffic to your landing page. Most of his traffic or the email list he have is from United States, and then 2% from Canada. Okay, that means very high quality traffic. Okay, that this you can see here, very much clarity you're going to see here. Okay, and then for example, right, and for this guy, right, you can go down and you can see, right, how much traffic, right, 99% of the traffics are coming from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. All are the tier 1 countries, guys. 5 tier 1 countries. Okay, so this you can understand here. Okay, this is how you select. Okay, whatever you want according to your needs. Okay, you can select here like only top tier. You want only top tier, you have to pay a little bit right more for them. Look at this, $248. If you select here $258, I think you're paying $10 extra, but not for everybody. In this case, only top tier country is charging almost, I think, $100, right? Something like that. Okay, $50 to $100 here. Okay, only top tier countries. Okay, that's up to you. Now this is the place you have to put your affiliate links, okay, or your landing page. Now there is one variation. If you want that this guy should create your landing page, that is also possible here. With this seller will create custom landing page for you. Okay, so if you click here, he will charge you extra. Okay, $95. Like this you have to select. Or you want to create your own landing page, you can create your own landing page and give to this guy. Okay, and he will give you the conversion. Not everybody will charge you like that. Okay, this guy doesn't have an option. So now this is very important, right? About the seller, you can see and read all about the seller here, what he's what kind of a traffic he's going to drive, and from which country he's going to target. For example, in this case, right, this seller is given, right, sales generated for Rumi clients 100 plus, top tier traffic only 500 plus 1000 buyers added every day. Okay, all these things, funnel you can see, right? Bonus, free funnel review. If you create a landing page to them or funnel to them, he will give you a free review on that. Okay, say bonus is giving to you. Bonus to use my high converting landing page. Okay, he is also going to give you the landing page. Okay, if you just give the affiliate link to them. Okay, and now the frequently asked question, does your list have buyers? My list only made up from the buyers. Okay, how much top tier traffic do you send? I only send 100% tires. And now this is the thing which you have to see before selecting this buyer. Okay, what kind of a offer works best with your list? Okay, low ticket offers, high ticket offer, make money online, ClickBank affiliate offers, ClickFunnels related, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, work at home, multi-level marketing offers, all these things. Okay, all these things you can see here. And another very important thing is, guys, whoever purchased the clicks from him, you can see their rating over here. Okay, all the ratings, right? For example, like bought 100 clicks, thanks for the clicks, disappointing results, 62% of the leads were accepted by Aweber, 38% were not Aweber said. Okay, all these things. Okay, brought 500 clicks, so you have to select the best one here. Okay, so the same thing here, you can see this guy have bought 300 clicks, great delivery as usual, one got front end sale. Okay, one sale he got, right? Bought 100 clicks, bought 300 clicks, 200 clicks, so right, one lead, no sales, right? So all this rating you have to read about the seller. Okay, I'm going to show you, right, how to select the best seller. Okay, wait a second. So hope I have showed you all these things, right, which is the basic of selecting any sellers. Okay, so let me show you, right, you have to put the affiliate link here. Okay, like this. Okay, the same link you have to select, copy from here, and you have to put here the affiliate link, whatever the link you have. I already inserted some link here. Okay, and right, link only. You can also, if you have an ad text, you can select this one and you can put the ad text also. Okay, and if you want 500 clicks or 300 clicks is the basic, guys, which is best for me, always work for me, because that much visitor you need to see some conversion, or also to see whether this guy is right for you or not. Okay, so now for 300 visitors in this link, okay, from only top tier countries, he's going to charge you $156. Okay, and then you have to click here, add to cart, right? And here you can see in the top right, 300 visitor, 156. Now you have to pay from PayPal to all of this amount, or else you can also add your card. Okay, this is how you have to pay them, and then they're going to deliver this in 20th of August. Okay, so this is very important, you have to see. Let me show you once again. Okay, so you can, right, look at this. If you go to this guy and ask, right, 300 visitor, he will give you this 300 visitor on 21st of August. Okay, so you can see all the date. Okay, because right, today is 19th. I think so. When I'm creating a video, it's a 19th. Okay, so he's going to right, give you it is going to run your campaign on 21st of August. That's how this thing work. Okay, and also you can contact this guy and you can talk to them. Okay, and also you can see how many of your vendors are active. Okay, all my favorite vendors, right, or the sellers are active right now. I can talk to them clicking here. Okay, like this. Okay, this, if I click here, I can talk to this guy. Okay, so this is how, guys, you're going to select and give the landing page. Okay, let me show you how you're going to select the best seller here. So recently we are in the solo deals. Now we have to go find seller here. So once if you select the find seller, open this box, and now these are the variation which you have to make changes, and you're gonna see all the top sellers here. For example, right, the maximum cent, okay, how much charging, the price, okay, if you want somebody who's charging like 80 cent or 60 cents, okay, it will filter and it will give you, right, the people who is charging you 16 cents, less than 60 cents, like this. Okay, so this guy is charging 49 cents, okay, all these things. So all these things you can select. For example, I want more, right, I want something at least, right, 80 cents, so that I will get some quality list also. Okay, so 80 cent, and any niche, okay, what kind of a niche you can select from here also, right, got sales. So I want those kinds of vendors who at least can have like 50% of sales, and now it will filter you according to this. So right now I got only 3 people who can give you the sales like this. Okay, 50% of sale. Look at this, 65%. Okay, so this guy is one of my favorite, right, and he got a lot of sales to me, as well as the email also. Okay, you can select all the countries, you can select the languages which you want, right, seller from the which country you want. Like almost 57 sellers are from India, 67 from Australia, Malaysia, Canada, United States. Okay, so they are all selling their list. If you only want the sellers from United States, you can select here, you will see all the people like this. Okay, so right now there is no one according to this setup which I set up. So I'm going to go by all country. That's fine, because wherever they are, they're going to bring the best sales for you. Okay, so this is the way you can select these sellers from here. So these are my few favorite Udemy sellers to whom I buy a lot of clicks, and they are amazing in their email list are amazing, as well as they also bought a lot of sales for me. Okay, so for example, like, right, this Daniel here, right, 69 cent he's charging, right, Khalid is 69 cent. Okay, and for 65% he will give you the sales. Okay, and one more, like I'm looking like Georgia, this guy has bought 71% of sales. Okay, he's charging only 55 cents. So it's all about testing, guys. That doesn't mean that they are my favorite, they will also bring the sales for you. All you have to try with one guy, getting some clicks in your affiliate link, then you can get more links from the same guy. If you're not getting some sales, you have to go for some other people. But one thing is for sure, guys, you're not gonna lose your money, because you will collect the emails in your email autoresponder, and you can retarget them by email sequence. I have the videos on that, you can watch this. Hope you got a lot of value from this, guys. The link of this software Udemy is given in the description, right, you can check there, and hope you got some value from this. There is no Facebook ad, YouTube ads you have to set up, right, image and all. Gonna make a lead, or you're gonna make a sale, or you're gonna make a sale, you'll also make a lead. Okay, so it's a win-win all the time with udemy.com. so if you have anything which you want to know something about this udemy.com or anything related this, let me know in the comment, and hope you enjoy this video. Smash that like button, guys, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.